Kreyol is a very beautiful language, and I'm happy that we all are getting to hear more of it. And what I'm most excited about with the Kreyol is the unification of the islands. So it's like if you come from like Dominica, and I come from Haiti, you come from Martinique, or you come from Guadeloupe. Now it's sort of like I know a little bit of your Creole, like you know. So if people from I think Martinique probably watching this, Sakamache, you know, Sakamache, like this can work, you know. And then in Haiti they have their version, but at the end of the day, what's amazing is the general phonetics are basically the same, which you have to think how strong these African people are. Because look, like we're in an era now. So for someone from Dominica or St. Lucia or different places to speak to me and for me to understand their Creole, do you understand how hard our ancestors had to fight as a whole to make sure that there's still a language that could come out of our mouth that we can translate as a whole, you know? Because when you want to destroy a tribe, first thing you do is you destroy their culture. You take away their name, you take away their language. You know what I mean? Yeah.